What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Top 5 Tray, your favorite corner of the internet where tech actually delivers. And today, we've got a smartphone that's not just spec'd out, it's built for people who expect flagship power without the flagship drama. This is the Honor 200 Pro. And let me tell you, it's not just another Android phone. It's packing serious hardware, wild camera skills, and enough storage to make cloud services feel nervous. We're talking 512 gigs of storage, 12 gigs of RAM, a Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 chip, and a portrait camera setup that looks like it came straight out of a studio. If you're someone who films, edits, scrolls, streams, works, games, and still wants more, this one's for you. Remember, the product featured in this video will be linked in the description below, so be sure to scroll down and check it out. And hey, if you've ever run out of storage mid-vacation or had your phone choke during a video shoot, smash that like button, subscribe for more real-world gear breakdowns, and let's get into it. Let's kick it off with the design, because this thing clean. It's got that understated high-end matte finish on the back that looks sleek and keeps fingerprints off. The build feels premium in the hand, not too heavy, not too light, just right for all-day use. And the edges, nicely rounded so it doesn't dig into your palm. Up front, it's all about that display. A massive 6.78-inch OLED panel with a crisp resolution of 1224 by 2700 pixels. Everything looks better here. From your Netflix binges to your Instagram edits, it's bright, vivid, and smooth. Whether you're inside, outside, or under the sun, the screen doesn't miss. And thanks to the near bezel-less design, the screen-to-body ratio is just chef's kiss. Under the hood, this phone is running on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8S Gen 3. And for those of you who care about raw numbers, that's an octa-core setup with a max clock speed of 3.0 gigahertz. Translation? This thing flies. App switching is buttery. Games load instantly. You can shoot a 4K video, edit it on the spot, and still have room for a few dozen tabs open in the background. Speaking of smooth, 12 gigabytes of RAM means multitasking isn't just possible, it's encouraged. And with a whopping 512 gigabytes of internal storage, you can forget about cloud backups or deleting apps to make room. You've got enough space to store your camera roll, your download folder, and your backups backup. Shoot 4K, shoot RAW, install all your games. It doesn't blink. But what really makes the Honor 200 Pro stand out? That camera setup. On the back, you've got a triple lens system that's seriously impressive. The main sensor is a 50 megapixel beast with an f1.9 aperture. It nails low light shots and captures crisp detail in every frame. Next to that, you've got a 12 megapixel ultra wide that's perfect for landscapes, architecture, or just squeezing more into the shot. And the real magic? A 50 megapixel telephoto lens with 2.5x optical zoom that gives you stunning portrait shots with actual background separation. No fake blur here. Selfie game's strong too. The front-facing camera is also 50 megapixels, and it's ready for 4K video, ultra clear shots, and even wide-angle group selfies. Whether you're snapping a quick pic or hopping on a video call, you'll look like you're filming a vlog. Now, let's talk connectivity. This phone is fully factory unlocked and supports both GSM and CDMA networks. That means it's compatible with pretty much any carrier, AT&T, T-Mobile, Verizon, you name it. And with dual SIM support, including eSIM, you can run two numbers at once. Perfect for work and play, or for when you're traveling and need a local SIM. And yes, it's 5G ready. So you're not just connected, you're flying, streaming, downloading, gaming. No buffering, no lag, no waiting around. The phone weighs in at 199 grams and is just 8.2 millimeters thick, which means it feels solid but never bulky. It's got the kind of build quality that screams premium, without the fragile glass sandwich vibe. And while the battery capacity isn't specifically listed here, based on Honor's past releases and the efficiency of the 4-nanometer chip, you're looking at reliable all-day use without babysitting your charger. It runs Android 14 out of the box, with Honor's smooth, clean interface layered on top. No bloat, no clutter, just a snappy user experience with all the tools you actually use. So who's this phone for? It's for the creators who want DSLR-level camera power without carrying a camera bag. It's for gamers who don't want dropped frames. It's for professionals who need dual SIMs, big storage, and 5G speed. And it's for everyday users who just want a beautiful phone that doesn't stutter, choke, or beg for more space after a month. If you've ever struggled with battery drain, lag, bad photos, or lack of space, this is your upgrade. And for all that, the price is surprisingly competitive for a device this stacked. You're getting flagship-level features, a pro-grade camera, and future-ready performance, all without paying flagship-level prices. So here's the final breakdown. You're getting Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 power, 12 gigabytes of RAM, 512 gigabytes of storage, a 6.78-inch OLED screen, triple rear cameras with 50 megapixels main, touchscreen, and telephoto lenses, a 50-megapixel selfie shooter, Android 14, 5G, dual SIM, and a sleek, durable design that actually feels good to use. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with what phone you're currently using, and don't forget to subscribe for more weekly tech that's worth your time. Until next time, stay sharp, stay connected. Peace out.